Alright guys, so we're going central London today, and basically we're going to be catching the train. It's a bit different of a video. Normally we're always in a car, but yeah, as you can see, it's a nice day outside, and yeah, we're just going to wait for the train, and once the train comes, we'll be in Knightsbridge, and we'll be doing a video in Hafız, so an Arab dessert shop. Yes guys, so we finally made it to Knightsbridge, and now we're actually gonna go to Hafız and we're gonna go see how busy it is. I've came here once or twice, but only from outside looking at it, it's actually bare busy. But this is Knightsbridge right now. It's actually ram-packed, nice sunny day, and yeah, there's people parking G-Wagons, nice cars, just like this one. Parking it on double yellow, my man don't even care. But yeah, nice sunny day, nice shops outside. Let's go see what there is at the shop. So basically just walking past to see another cafe. This is just another cafe where it's quite packed, a lot of people inside as well. But the actual place that we're gonna go is straightforward. So once we get to it, let's see how packed it really is. So guys, we're literally right next to it. This is it. Hafız. And we're just gonna go inside and see what it's like. It actually looks very bougie. But yeah, this is the actual spot. And yeah, let's go inside and let's see. Alright guys, so in the middle they basically got a bunch of sweet treats, and they've got baklava. They've also got just a bunch of variety of sweets in the middle, and yeah, as you can see, they've got pistachio sliced baklava here as well. And yeah, look at the display of it. It's beautiful of how they display it. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be getting something, and they've got it all around. So they've got it all through a section here. So they've got cinnamon delight and a bunch of different and they've got a bunch of different sweets. So I'm just gonna pick one out and I'm gonna try it. Yeah, so I was having a look. They also have these types of cakes. Now these cakes are looking so nice. Like, look at that. That's amazing. I'm either gonna get one of these as well with a bit of baklava on the side. So I'm gonna have two different ones. But look at that, they've got strawberry glazed on top of the cake, and they've got different slices. So I'm probably gonna get one of these and a baklava. I'm gonna see what there is to get because there's so many options, and I'm gonna grab something from here. All right guys, so our sweet treats have came, and basically I got only one baklava, a milk cake, and just a Turkish tea. I wanted something light. So this is basically the baklava. I only got it one. I know it looks very small, but it's just me eating. My brother's obviously not having today. And I've also got a milk cake. Now that looks TT, that looks 10-10. And then this is one Turkish tea. So I wasn't gonna get this first, but the waiter told me, he suggested this to get this because he's saying it's really beneficial and healthy. And all the Turkish people have this. So I'm gonna have this now one by one and review it. So now I'm just gonna try this and I'm gonna see how this is. So let's see, I'm gonna cut off a little smaller piece because this is gonna be too big to have just like that. So let's see. Bismillah. With that sauce on top, it's absolutely amazing. Literally, I can taste all the pistachio in this. It's actually so good. I think this is like some sort of milk sauce that they've used on top, because that's what it tastes like, but it's really sweet. I know all of you guys with the sweet tooth, you're gonna love this. This is amazing. You know what? I'm going in for round 2. This is too good, man. I'm just gonna have the whole thing. Dip it in this a bit more. Now that's definitely verified. I love that. But if you look into it, they've got a pistachio right here. So if you look into this has got pistachio right here. And it's like really flaky as well. So it's absolutely amazing. Look how much pistachio they put inside. They definitely don't skimp out on this. So it's really, really good. Alright guys, so this right here is the milk cake. And I've been told by the staff here, this is their best seller. So literally, I can see there's so much milk on the cake and it looks so fluffy. Like, this is amazing right now. It's looking so delicious. I can't wait to devour this. But yeah, literally, I saw there was a line. There was quite a few people grabbing this, so they had to get another tray. And this is fresh right now, so I'm gonna go right into this. I'm gonna cut in and see how it's like inside. So I'm gonna cut off this piece and let's see. Literally, it cuts so easily. It's absolutely amazing, so soft. But I'm gonna cut off a smaller piece. I'm gonna have this now. Let's have this. Cool, Bismillah. This literally, as soon as this goes into your mouth, it's melting. It literally melts. But it's amazing. I can taste the strawberry flavor on top, and I can taste the cake. It's literally like melted with the milk. It's so good. 100% would suggest this. Now, all the prices for all of these items, I'm gonna list them at the end on the screen, and I'm also gonna go over and I'm gonna show you everything else that there is, and I'm gonna show you one by one the other cakes that I could have got, but I opted out for the strawberry cake. But yeah, I'm definitely going in for another round of this, and I'm having this again because this was too good, and I know why the staff suggested this. But let's have this. This is definitely so good. You guys need to come down here and you need to try this, because this is definitely verified by me, 100%. Alright guys, so if you look at this, this is the tea that they gave us. Now this is a special Turkish tea. Now, I opted out for this first, but the staff insisted that I should get this because it's actually their famous tea. So if you look at the top, I've never seen this type of presentation before, but they put a Turkish delight on top. And apparently you're meant to have this before you have the tea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this, I'm gonna try it now. So I'm just gonna try how this is. It drops quite a lot. See, I'm not that much of a fan of this, but I will see how, yeah, I'm not really a fan of this one, but I'll see how the tea is itself. So let's try the tea. So this is the tea now. This is looking good. This is looking unique. And normally I'm used to the normal British tea, you know, the little tea bags and that. But this is something different. I'm gonna put some white sugar in this as well, and you know, just make the taste a bit more better, because I don't want just plain tea. But yeah, let's open this up, let's put this in. Might as well just put the whole packet. And what we'll do is we'll grab the spoon and we'll stir it. Now see me, I'm actually really bad with hot stuff, so I don't know how I'm gonna go with this. This is why I wasn't gonna have this in the first place, but it actually is quite hot, I can feel it, so let's see. Now that's really good. You know what? It's going to the back of my throat. Like I can feel it, and it's so warm. But it actually tastes so good. It feels like there's like some sort of spices on it or something. But it actually tastes so good. I'm gonna go in for another sip. Yeah, it's so good. I can see what they mean by like having this with the Turkish delight, because I can have this after with the bit over of Turkish delight that I've got. But I've never seen this type of presentation. Like I said, it looks like a little mini cauldron. Like honestly, I've never seen this. And then they've got their own branding there as well, where it says Hafız. So it's on the other side right there, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna sip this, and then once I've had this, I'll take you over to the counter and we can have a look at what else they've got. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're just gonna pay now,
So
and we're gonna see.
One pistachio drab baklava, and one tea, right?
Yes, that's correct.
This one. It's 1687.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Alright, you too. Alright guys, so I just paid for it, and basically the bill only came up to £16.87, as you can see there, and that was for the pistachio baklava which we had, the milk cake and the tea. I think so. The milk cake was the most expensive, £8.50. So yeah, that's basically just gonna wrap up the video there, and I'll see you guys in the next video.